I was born to flex. Yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets. I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. What I really want to see.
I'm back. All up in your grill. It's brow tutorial time. And I can't even call this an updated brow tutorial, you all, because I've been using the same thing at least since spring. Y'all see me tag Aisha Joyner Foulks on Instagram. That's my hometown homegirl who owns bkbeautycosmeticsllc, and her brow pomade is everything creamy, but it dries matte, but not a drying matte, unlike some of the other ones. So with that being said, let's get started.
Starting at the middle underbrow of my brow, underneath my actual hairline of my brow is where I start my outline. Not too close to the front, but right there in the middle, as well as brushing the hairs up. Her brush does come, that is an angle brush, but it comes with a spoolie on the other end. So not to worry about that. But on days when I want a more sharper look to my brow, I use a stiff brush like I'm doing now. On days I want a more softer effect, then I'll use the actual angle brush that comes with it. But either way, you can't lose. Now, her product, as you can tell, I went in on the hairs of my brow to get that product to blend. Again, it goes on creamy, but it dries matte. So blending into your real hairs won't be a problem. Even if you're a person that likes to blend upward in the hair-like strokes, that won't be a problem either. Also, I go back with the smoothie sporadically just to brush through. By going through with a stiffer brush, brushing with the spoolie all day, like part of your brow routine, is hardly what I have to do. Now, I like my brushes to work for me. What you'll see me do is use the width of the brush, which is about the style that I like my brows in. And I will use that as my fade out in the front, which will give me the perfect brow shape for my eyes. If you like your brows wider, then go wider. You like them skinnier, then, do what you do. But this is just what I like. And I'm putting no more product on the brush, and I'm getting my gradient effect in the front of my brows. Now, keep in mind, the top of my brows are very sparse, and I do not grow tails on my brows. So going into brow 2, I'm doing the same thing, but for the sake of the video, I just sped it right on up because some people find a hard time getting their brows symmetric, and brows are sisters, not twins. I went in with the Kevyn Aucoin concealer because I love this as a base with my eyeshadows, which I did follow this with the eye look. On any given day, a natural color concealer will work, and then you just buff it out and make a nude eye. I will say this. If you are not good with blending, please, please, please do not go under there with all that beige concealer because you will get a halo effect. Now, unlike me, I did not use my foundation color on top because I was going in with makeup anyway. But if you're not good with blending, then on top of the brows, when you go to outline, use your foundation color, okay? I didn't do that because, like I say, I'm a person, my brows can take me 5 minutes, not 10, not 20, not 30. I whip these brows in 5 minutes and I am good to go. That's a Real Techniques buffing brush, which is Bay for my eyebrows, as well as you're going to see me go in with a tinted brow gel by LA Colors, and that's from Family Dollar for $1. And it comes in a variety of colors, and that you all is my Diva brow, simple as 1, 2, 3.
And this, you all, is my finished brow tutorial. Let me come in a little bit closer. Make sure I'm in focus. I went ahead and did an eye look as well, but Diva brows, easy as 1, 2, 3, thanks to BK Beauty Cosmetics. Y'all hit her up on IG now and hit my sister at Luxurious Cosmetics for your Siberian mink lashes. I'll see y'all in the next video.
Bustin' out the roof, I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot, bow, shake a little ass. You get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop.